Hello everyone, this is Nimisha Tripathi and in this video I am going to talk about the respiration. The process of acquiring oxygen from outside the body and to use it in the process of breakdown of food sources for cellular needs. Okay, as we know, food is the source of energy from outside the body of the organism to the inside. Now, these sources of energy need to be broken down and must be finally converted to a uniform source of energy that can be used for various molecular movements needed for maintaining living structures as well as kind of molecules body needed to grow. So, for this, a series of chemical reactions in the body is necessary. Now, chemical reactions are necessary. So, the oxidizing reducing reactions are some of the most common chemical means for breakdown of molecules. Now, for example, if we consider our food, ग्लूकोज आई मीन जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट का पार्ट जो होता है वो मेजर पार्ट होता है. सो इफ ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ ग्लूकोज अकर्स, तीन कंडीशंस हो सकते हैं उसके. आइदर ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में ब्रेकडाउन हो सकता है और इन एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, और देयर मे बी lack of oxygen also occur. If the breakdown of glucose is taking place in presence of oxygen, then the process known as aerobic respiration. Generally, it occurs in mitochondria. In other case, if there is absence of oxygen, then this is known as aerobic respiration, and this occurs in case of yeast during fermentation process. There is also another case if there is lack of oxygen, like in case of lactic acid pathway, for example in case of muscles, this lactic acid pathway takes place in our muscles. Now, during aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration, there is release of energy. So, in case of aerobic respiration, the amount of released energy is much more than in case of anaerobic respiration. Now, we see how the breakdown of glucose takes place. Glucose is a 6-carbon compound. There is presence of 6 carbons in case of glucose. This glucose in cytoplasm, we are talking this pathway inside the cell. There is presence of cytoplasm inside the cell. Okay. So in cytoplasm, this glucose is converted into pyruvate. This pyruvate is a 3-carbon compound, and there is also release of energy takes place. In higher studies, you will see this process. This is known as glycolysis. This is the 10-step pathway, here to here. Okay. So this pyruvate is a 3-carbon compound, and in absence of oxygen, this is converted into a 2-carbon compound which is known as ethanol. So this is 2 carbon and here carbon dioxide is released and also energy is released. Now, in other case, if there is lack of oxygen, like in case of our muscle cells, this 3-carbon pyruvate is converted into lactic acid. This lactic acid is also 3-carbon compound. No CO2, energy is released. And if there is presence of oxygen, this is the case of aerobic respiration. This takes place in mitochondria. Then there is carbon dioxide release, water and energy. Okay. Now, अब ये जो एनर्जी रिलीज हो रहा है वो immediately used to synthesize a molecule called adenosine triphosphate or ATP. This ATP is also known as energy currency in most of the cellular processes. ये ATP जनरली यूज होता है जनरली जो सेल्यूलर प्रोसेसेस हमारी बॉडी के अंदर हो रहे होते हैं उसके लिए ATP यूज करते हैं एज ए एनर्जी करेंसी. ATP is used to fuel all other activities in the cell. इस ATP के ब्रेकडाउन से a fixed amount of energy is released so that other cellular processes can take place. अब इस ATP का फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है? There is adenosine diphosphate and here addition of one inorganic phosphate. This is diphosphate, मतलब here is the presence of 2 phosphates. Now addition of one more phosphate, this become adenosine triphosphate. अब जो एरोबिक रेस्पायरिंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं वो हमेशा ये इंश्योर करते हैं कि उनको एक सफिशिएंट इनटेक ऑफ ऑक्सीजन उनके लिए होता रहे. लाइक if we consider plants के केस में we all know that there is no photosynthesis during night. तो अगर फोटोसिंथेसिस नहीं होगा तो CO2 का एलिमिनेशन जो होता है उस केस में वही एक मेजर एक्सचेंज का प्रोसेस होता है उस टाइम पे. बट इन डे टाइम जो CO2 एलिमिनेट होता है रेस्पिरेशन के केस में that is used up for photosynthesis and here oxygen release is the major event. Okay. During photosynthesis we know exchange of gases takes place through stomata. So these larger intercellular spaces ensure that all cells are in contact with air. एंड जो CO2 और ऑक्सीजन कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑक्सीजन का जो एक्सचेंज होता है वो डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू होता है. एंड ये डिफ्यूजन का जो डायरेक्शन होगा वो ऑलवेज एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग होता है. ओके, सो दिस इज इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. थैंक यू.